Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to slide number 14. In slide number 14, we are going to ask questions for the underlined words. As I said in the previous lesson 66, if we have underlined words in sentences, if we are asked to write questions, don't repeat these underlined words, because if you repeat them, your answer will not be correct. So Emilia has 4 brothers and 5 sisters. So here we are going to ask about number. So to ask about number, we use how many. How many? Let's see the answers. Emily has 4 brothers and 5 sisters. The question is a little bit difficult, so because you are going to do many things in the same question. So the first thing you are going to write is how many. The second word is always after how many we use nouns in the plural form. So how many brothers and sisters, and because we have a verb has, so we need to, in the present simple, so we need to put does. So how many brothers and sisters? Does, and then Emilia, and then have. So how many brothers? So 3 things you are going to do in this question. How many brothers and sisters does Emilia have? If you say does Emilia has, it's not correct, because when we have does, the verb remains in the infinitive. It doesn't take s. Let's go to number 2. Jones usually goes fishing in the morning. So with adverbs of frequency, always, usually, sometimes, often, never, so we use in the question how often. So how often, and we need to put does, and then the subject Jones. So how often does Jones go fishing in the morning? Number 3, all the students of this class are 7. So here we are going to ask about age. So how old are all the students of this class? So all the students of this class are 7. And the last question in this slide, Bob's new car is white. What color is Bob's new car?